guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get credits fast in Survive Zombie Arena Roblox. This actually uses a Survive Zombie Arena code that you can redeem to get 10 million free credits, and this literally takes a few minutes. I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter you simply have to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. You're definitely not going to want to miss my future uploads because I'm always searching for new methods, and yeah, you're going to be able to win some Robux. So anyway, let's get into this tutorial and show you how to get free credits in Survive Zombie Arena. And this literally takes just a few minutes using a working code in 2026. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your code, and then you can redeem it on wherever you choose to play the game. So open up your mobile phone internet browser, head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and copy exactly how I've typed it here. Crash Coupons is a awesome game code website. I've been using these a bunch for tons of other Roblox games. I've started to play Survive Zombie Arena, and that's where I noticed they had some codes available. So search for Survive Zombie Arena, and you're going to see this page here. This is the codes page. There's only a couple of verified codes, but this one is going to get you the free credits. This is get 10 million credits in Survive Zombie Arena. So this is literally a code you can redeem in your game, and it is going to supply you with 10 million credits. Now, as you can see, these are limited codes, but there are a ton. At the time of recording, there's 702 codes remaining. Someone's just used one, 701, but they do replenish quite often as well. So yeah, you will need to unlock your Survive Zombie Arena code. This is simply to stop people getting more than one of these codes per person. So click on get full code, and then you're going to see this page here that tells you how to unlock your code. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and these are basically mobile applications and surveys. Really easy, guys. So you just got to make sure you follow the instructions below each one. These tasks take a few minutes and they're completely free. So as an example, this one, receive a MacBook Air. So this is basically a survey where you can win a MacBook. So you basically answer some questions, whatever it asks, and then you just have to input some info. It's 100% free. So that one will be complete once you follow through the steps on that one. There's also things like installing and opening mobile apps and playing games. So yeah, just complete 2 of them. And then once you do that, if you do everything correctly, it will then send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Survive Zombie Arena code will be revealed. And that, guys, is going to give you 10 million credits once you redeem it in game. So that is how to get credits fast and for free in Survive Zombie Arena. Head on over to Crash Coupons. Any questions, do just let me know, guys. It is super simple though. Make sure you do like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one.